It sounds like there's some language emerging in you along the lines of, I don't allow people to treat me in this way. I'm willing to be responsible for the mistakes that I make, and I'm willing to do repair work around the things that I'm learning and that I, may slip up and get wrong. And along the way, I would like my friends, my acquaintances, people that I'm with, people that I'm dating, people who are in my life, to treat me with compassion and graciousness and kindness and respect. And I don't feel like that's happening here. Because I think part of what I'm hearing you say is, I'm looking for a way to be connected and vulnerable and real in my relationships, but I'm also wanting to set boundaries around how people treat me. And what I'm not available for is people who want to punish me, who want to express their anger to me in indirect ways, who want to take things out on me, who want to vent on me. I'm not available for that. And I'm also hearing you say, maybe other languages, you're kind of guessing. I mean, you were kind of empathically guessing what might be happening for him. I wonder if you're, what were the words you used? I forgot now, but, I wonder if you're stressed out, or I wonder if you're angry, or I wonder if you're hurting, or I wonder if there's stuff happening for you. I have empathy for what might be going on for you that leads you to be like this. But I also want to let you know, I'm not available for that.